Hey there, sweet mates! It's Christine again, and I've got another SuiteDash tutorial video for you. Today, we are diving into the basics of creating proposals in SuiteDash. Now, this is a two-parter. First part is, or part one rather, is creating proposals manually, while part two is creating proposals using the SuiteDash templates. So let's get part one started. First things first is you have to log into your SuiteDash staff account. You have to make sure that this staff account has access to the billing section or SuiteDash admin account. Head over to the billing section in SuiteDash and then select proposals. Click the add new proposal button to kick things off and choose a direct. Next thing is to fill in the essential details. This includes the client's name or prospect's name, proposal value, currency, the valid until date, and a snazzy title for the proposal. Now it's time to get creative. You can use the text editor to add your proposal content. You can lay out all of the information about your wedding services, like pricing, packages, and everything else your prospect needs to know. Make your proposal your own. In SuiteDash, you can add your company's branding logo and play around with the layout to match your style. Next is to break down your services by creating individual service items. You can think of, let's say, venue rental, catering, the photography, and so on. Now, don't forget to include those all-important terms and conditions. You can even set up e-signatures for that extra touch of professionalism. Set up automation rules to trigger actions when your proposal is accepted. You can generate documents, send up follow-up emails, and more. Those are a few samples of our actions. Once that's done, give your proposal a final once-over to ensure it's accurate and complete. Now, once it's looking good, you can send it off to your client and wait for their approval. SuiteDash offers options for email delivery. And you can track when the proposal is being viewed. And that's how you create proposals manually. Now let's hop on to part two, or the creating proposals using SuiteDash templates. Same thing, you have to head over to billing and then proposals and toggle the switch to proposal and choose full templates. Click add template and give it a title. As you can see here, you can click this pencil icon to edit the template, add images and text and other content to make this your own. You can also edit the title of the page. Now, how do we add a page to your proposal? Just click on add a blank page to add more sections. Edit these pages as you like. You can include greetings, an about us section, details about your services, the terms and agreements, and even a thank you page. Next step is the accept and sign page. Now, in the accept and sign page, client can put their e-signatures. Once that's done, you can hit preview to check out how your template looks or how your proposal looks. And once you're happy, scroll down and save it. Now, how do we create a proposal from the template that you just edited? Now, let's go back to proposals, click on add proposal, choose a direct, and fill in the necessary info. On the right side, there's an icon there. Just click on Load Template and select your chosen template or the one that you just edited. You can choose to reset current pages or keep them as they are. After the template is loaded, give it a quick review. When you're ready, click the arrow to go back to the proposals. You can also set up automation for when the proposal is accepted. Again, this is the automation that I've mentioned in part 1. Just click Assign Automations and Configure Automations. Choose what you want to happen when the proposal is accepted. Like, would you like SuiteDash to send another email, or would you want to generate a document or a contract? Lastly, click Finalize, then the option icon, Send Proposal. Now, to make sure that your client receives the proposal, you can impersonate the client. Go to CRM, Contacts, choose the contact, click the mask icon or the impersonate icon, and impersonate. You can see what the client sees when they log into the portal. And that's it. You're all set with creating wedding proposals in SuiteDash. Feel free to explore and customize to make it just right for your clients. Happy planning!